Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use ssh-copy-id for passwordless SSH login on Linux. So first of all, of course, we have to go into terminal. And right now, you need to make sure, of course, at the beginning that you have SSH installed. You can check it by typing in sudo systemctl status ssh. Of course, you have to type in password. As you can see, for me, it is active and it is running, so I don't have to do anything. If your SSH is not working, you can check. You can start it. So sudo systemctl start SSH, or if you don't have your SSH installed, you can install it by using the command sudo apt install openssh-server, like this. For me it is installed, so as you can see nothing has happened, but it's very important. And it's very important to say that this command works only on Debian and Ubuntu. If you are using different Linux distribution, you have to switch or change this thing into your own command that is attached to your operating system. So now I can clear that. And why we are using ssh-copy-id? Basically because we want to log in without a password. I will show you that on this Linux server. I will connect to myself because I don't have another device, but right now I will show you that. As you can see, this is my IP address. We need to know our IP address in order to connect into SSH. And now, as you can see, if I will connect right now, SSH, my username, my IP address, and the port. As you can see, I have to type in my password, and I have to type in my password every time I am doing this. So how can we basically set it up to passwordless login? We have to first of all go into SSH folder. So SSH folder by default is in the home section, and it is hidden. As you can see, it starts with dot, so this is a hidden folder, so we have to go into it like this, but of course with this dot at the start. I will clear that and I will leave that. As you can see, we have some things right there. For now, I will remove this config file because it doesn't really matter for me. And we have to check if you have a key already in this folder. For me, as you can see, I don't have a key because key looks like this. It is ID, RSA, and for example, pub. That means a public key. We have to create a pair of the key. So I will do SSH -keygen and -t RSA -b. Right now we are setting up a size, so 496, and now -c and now we can add something to this, so my key, for example, like this, and I can press enter. As you can see, generating public and private RSA key pair. So now we have to accept the location. This is the location that is chosen by default. You can of course change it, but for me it is okay. And now we will not add the password, so I will leave it empty, and I will leave it empty. As you can see, right now I will clear that, and I will leave that. We have the ID RSA and ID RSA pub. This is a public key, so you can show it to everyone. This is a private key, and you should never share the private key. And what is the basic usage of the ssh-copy-id command? You have to just do something like this. So ssh-copy-id, and right now for me I will use my username and my IP address. You have to specify the username and the IP address to the other device here. So I will do it right here, like this, and 122 I think it was. And as you can see now I have to type in my password. And as you can see, number of the keys added. And now we have to verify our passwordless login. So again, Ubuntu 192.168.88.122 -p 22. As you can see, we don't have to type in my password, so everything is working fine. And this is how you can set up passwordless login on Linux by using on Linux with SSH. And if you found this video helpful, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.